Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome biggity back, y'all. Hey, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. My name is Kelsi, and I'm here for you guys every Sunday and Wednesday, and at least for this month, every day of the month to talk about my VSG journey and other things. It's my hope that through these videos, you're able to find the answers to questions you've been looking for, or the path to choosing surgical weight loss is made that much easier. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogtober. I certainly am. It's definitely been a thrill to create these videos for you guys. I'm here today with another taste test. Boy, am I dreading it. If you guys don't know, I did a taste test of the Premier Protein cake batter. I loved it so much. So much that I've drank all of those that I've ordered, and I've ordered another case to come to the house. It should be here by the 15th. So in that video, I got like 3 million DMs. I got comments on the video. I got request after request after request after request to do this particular taste test, and I'm gonna tell you now, I'm not looking forward to it. So without further ado, the taste test that I was requested to do over and over and over again, that I tried to ignore, but I couldn't ignore because so many people wanted me to do it. I was requested by you lovely viewers of mine to do a taste test on the Premier Protein pumpkin spice. So while I was on vacation, I ordered these because they were nowhere local. They weren't anywhere where I was because, you know, you guys were just buying them up. I ordered these and they were at the house when I got here. If you watched my Starbucks taste test, you guys know how I feel about pumpkin spice. You guys know that I am just not into pumpkin spice. But this pack says, enjoy our limited edition pumpkin spice flavor to celebrate this fall season. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can be hard, especially once summer ends and fall begins. Our pumpkin spice protein shake spices up fall and gives you everything you need to stay on track. This delicious protein shake is perfect for whether you are on the go or looking for an afternoon pick-me-up or are searching for a post-workout recovery solution. So I'm gonna go ahead and bust this baby open. I am not excited at all. I was excited about the cake batter one because I'm into cake batter things. Definitely not into anything pumpkin spice flavored. So yeah, same as the other. 160 calories, 1 gram of sugar, 24 minerals and vitamins, 30 grams of protein, supports immune health. But I am going to give this a honest and true, non-biased review as much as I possibly can. You guys know that I don't like pumpkin spice, but maybe this is going to change my mind. You know, you never really know. I really did like the pumpkin spice Starbucks drink, so maybe this will be a little different. I don't know. We're going to find out. I'm going to bring you guys in a little close. I'm going to open this, you know, really close so you guys can get that ASMR. You ready? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and give this a good smell. I'm not. And I made sure to chill these. I'm not going to do them warm because Premier Protein warm is already too much. So okay, it does smell like baby food, nothing too overwhelming. And another thing, if you guys hear Peach screaming at the top of her lungs, let's see. She's trying to break down the garage door to get out here to me because I can't have a moment to myself. So it does have that baby food, baby formula smell that the cake batter one had. No hint of like spice or like, you know, nutmeg or cinnamon, nothing like that. So let's get into the taste here. I am not looking for, I really don't want to do this. Ew. I hate anything pumpkin spice. Okay. Well, this is misleading. This doesn't taste like pumpkin spice at all. You definitely taste the spice. There's a little hint of like a cinnamon or something in there. It's not very strong. It's not very like pumpkin. It's not even pumpkin at all. Pumpkin was like definitely like cinnamon. So I'm gonna taste it again. Definitely not my favorite. Definitely not something that I feel like I will drink. Like, I'm not gonna order or buy these again. Not something that I just have to have. When these come out again, or if they come around to the next fall season and they're advertising Premier Protein Pumpkin Pie. I definitely, you know, it's not one of those things that's like, oh my God, it's so nasty like pumpkin spice things tend to be, at least in my opinion. If you're into like fall flavors and things like that, definitely grab these. You definitely could taste the spice, and you could taste the sweater weather vibes. But as far as like it being like a big addition to your coffee, or like a mind-blowing addition to like, you know, your morning routine, like if you feel like you're gonna spice up your morning, excuse me, burpee, not something that you're gonna necessarily just can't live without. If I had to choose between this one and like a caramel or just a traditional banana and cream, I would definitely go for those. Not necessarily, you know, just over the moon about this. And I don't know if it's because it's a pumpkin spice flavor, but I just know that I'm not just completely blown away by it. Let me take one more drink. One more. Nah. I am going to use these. I do make a protein waffle, a protein powder waffle, and I'm going to use these so that I can ensure that they're used up. But I'm also going to give my mom too. She does drink Premier Protein. So I'm going to use 2 of these for making my protein waffles. I also have a little bit of surprise for you guys. Hang right there. All right, okay? I'm back. So I've heard a lot of things about these right here, the Premier Protein with oats. I've heard a lot of things about this one and the blueberry one, and I was really intrigued to try this. So I saw these at my local Dollar Tree for $1, and I was like, you know what? This would be a really good thing to try with my viewers. I really wish they would have had the blueberry one because I'm a fan of anything blueberry, but I'm gonna try this for you guys if you haven't tried it. I'm excited to try this because I feel like it's gonna have a different flavor. Get y'all close for the ASMR. Oh yeah, get into it.
2 hours later.
This is not it. This is not good. Oh my God, I can't get up. What is this? Okay, let's see. Almost there. Golly. All right, we're getting there. All right. So once again, this is the Premier Protein with oats. It's the oats and maple flavor. So bust this baby open. Is there another seal? Oh my God. There's another seal. Okay. Okay. We're gonna give the same type of reaction that I've done with all of the other ones. So I'm gonna give it a good smell. It smells oaty, almost peanut butter like. Let's give it a taste. Oh hell. Oh my God. I'm gonna get the blueberry ones because baby. This is absolutely delicious. Okay, so the only difference with this is it has 150 calories, so 10 less calories, 3 grams of fat, 13 grams of carbohydrate, and 20 grams of protein. So this is a little more up there than, I'm gonna grab than the Premier Protein. The Premier Protein has, it says 4 grams of carbohydrate opposed to the 12 or the 13, but listen. Oh, this is so good. And I feel like this would be good in like my protein waffles. Yes. Now, if you see these at your local Dollar Tree, grab a few. I only grabbed one because I was like, I don't want to buy a whole cart full and I don't like them. But I am intrigued to try the blueberry one. The Premier Protein with oats is a blueberry. I hear a lot of good things about it. So if you haven't and you would like to try this one, I think you will like it. This one, like I said, is, if you want to be, Miss Fall or Mr. Fall, this may fit your agenda, but it's not my favorite. It has nothing to do with the pumpkin spice. It just doesn't really have a good flavor. To me, it doesn't really taste any different than anything else. It's not something I'm going to put on the top of my gotta have list. You want some, sir? Nah? Okay. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little surprise, a taste test with the Premier Protein Oats and the Pumpkin Spice Premier Protein. My rating for the pumpkin spice would be a 5 out of 10. And the maple oat, or the oats and maple Premier Protein, I'm going to give this an 8. I definitely really, really, really like this one. If you have not and you would like to be, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. It lets me know you like my content. Become a member of my family. I would love to have you here. Also, if you haven't and you would like to, please make sure to join my Facebook group, One Bite at a Time. It's a safe place to talk about hard things. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. You could have been anywhere else in this YouTube world, but you chose to be here with me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.